Oh! Oh, you gotta count the score. 2-5.
I just know we're losing really good. Was it 2-5-1?
6-5-1. Oh, 2-6. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You got your chance. You got your chance. Yeah, your chance.
We're in the exact same spot.
I know.
One more.
Last serve.
Oh, well, I got another chance. 3 strikes. And you're out.
Mercy serve.
All right, if I put it in here like Genie, then it'll for sure go down.
Yeah.
Oh, is he working?
Good.
That's good.
So I need to let it bounce. Oh man, they know how to read
You
that.
almost had it. You almost had it.
Almost. Wait, so since you're number 1, I get to reserve as 2.
I would have run for that.
So it'll be like 2-6-2. 2-6-2. 2-6-2. So we have to let it bounce. Kill it! Oh! Oh man!
It's actually hard.
It is. No, yeah, you get it. You get.
That should have been a point, right?
Yeah, that could.
Sorry, Timmy.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
6-2-1.
6-2-1. Damn, that was good. Whoa, he had a spin on you, bro. That is rough.
Targeting the weak players.
Wow. Wow. I don't know how to defend against a spin though.
The line, or you gotta watch because if it hits the line or if it's on the other side, then
I think it was it.
Line is good.
Line is good.
That line is good. That line is bad.
right. Yeah.
Yeah, front line good.
Wow, this is serious shit.
Back line good.
Yo, you and I need to practice some more, huh?
7-2.
Because this guy knows how to spin the ball. He can spin the ball. Oh my God, he spun the ball on me. That was nasty. So nasty.
8-2-1.
Kill. Oh, he spun the ball on me too.
We
They're
might just be
spinning it.
bad. That might be.
We're
that might
bad.
just be bad.
Dude, we gotta be able to watch the player, man. We're getting screwed.
I'm supposed to be up here.
He can spin the ball. Oh, he spun it. Oh my God. Dude.
It's a bloodbath.
Oh.
It's too hard for Cam.
No.
No, just spin it. Spin it. We gotta learn. We gotta learn. Dude, the spin is deadly. Okay, kill. Oh, it's out. Oh. So now it's still Janie's turn to serve. Oh, the spin, man. Whew. Gotta learn how to spin.
10-2.
Gotta learn to spin. Kill it. Yeah. Oh, I like your enthusiasm though.
Game, y'all.
Shoot, game. We switch court side for a.
Want to switch up the team so
Yeah, you guys wanna?
No, we're happy because the rivalry is for real.
And the light that's on.
Yeah, the sun was in our eyes. You couldn't see. That's why.
Oh yeah.
That's what it was, right, Kim?
That's what it was. We got our excuses.
Okay.
0-0 start. Oh, I'm 1? Okay. 0-0 start. That's supposed to bounce.
Yeah, that was it.
Oh, okay. I'll take it.
Okay.
Oh.
If you play, then I think
Wait,
you won now.
Yes, we got. Okay.
Let's do it. Let's redo it.
Redo.
Okay.
0-0 start. 0-0 start. Wait.
Oh, he hit it. Oh, I didn't hit it.
Yeah.
Wait, you had to let it bounce though.
He did. Didn't he?
No, he just whacked it before it bounced.
wait.
Oh, after the.
Oh, did he?
Cause you're supposed, cause she let it bounce when she returned. You had to let it bounce.
Yeah, replay.
Replay.
Victory.
0-0 start. 1. Wait. 0-0 start. Gotta let it bounce. Now you can kill. Okay. Oh, he killed it. Okay, now Wilkins' turn. 0-0-2.
Alright, 0-0.
Okay. Nice. Whoa! Did I cross the line or was it good?
It doesn't matter. You hit it up.
I know. Oh man. It's getting intense. 0-0-1.
I served that,
Yeah,
didn't I?
I thought you
Yeah, now's your turn, serve.
1-0.
Oh, you did serve. Oh, 1-0-1. Okay, yep. I knew she was gonna do that. I knew she was gonna whack at me. I was like, "Ah." Dude, I felt it, and I was going for the the precious. Oh wait, but you crossed here.
Oh,
You were standing here. The ball needs to bounce here before you can cross the line.
They will cheat.
Yeah.
How it works?
Yeah, so if you want to hit it, you got to stand behind the line to whack it.
So
You can only enter here if the ball bounces first.
so you can't just be like standing behind it kind of like this?
No,
You have to be like all
you
the way
gotta be
behind
back here, yeah.
So
and then
is
whack it.
Where you hit is based on where you hit the ball?
No, it must be when the ball bounces. So if you can reach it, go for it.
Okay.
You can only enter this once the ball bounces on your side.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as you stay out of the kitchen, then it doesn't have to bounce.
I'll give it to you. It's a good try. 2.
Okay, 2-0-2.
2.
2-0-2.
2-0-2.
You got it.
Okay, so that's the bounce. I'll go here.
That's good.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, right on.
Dude, I don't know how he did. Oh, he's still serving. I don't know how he's doing that. Oh, you can get up front because they have to let it bounce back. Oh, that was out, but she hit it.
Yeah, that's yours.
That was
now.
it.
Oh, that was in?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it.
You can hit it if it's out. It doesn't matter what you do.
Okay.
But you just, if you see it out, just do whatever you want and then call it out.
Yeah.
I see.
Say your score.
0-3, 0-2-1, 0-3-1.
Yeah.
0-3-1.
Very good.
1-3-1. 1-3-1. Oh, so many numbers, man.
I know.
1-3-1. Okay. Oh.
This is not a hit, Wilkins. Don't do this. Yeah, backhand is good. This down is not a hit. Back.
Oh, gotta be behind the line. It's yours. It's what's the score? 1-3-2. Okay. Okay, we gotta let it bounce first, and then you can. Nice.
We're still in.
We're still playing. We're still playing. No. Oh man. Oh, I took one. I took a fall. Oh, so it's now.
Good
Oh,
effort.
Kate
Good
does
effort.
a great match. 3-1.
3-1-1. Okay. Okay, she's gonna let it bounce, and away we go. Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Oi.
random hits. Like I don't know, for whatever reason I'm not getting enough power on it.
You gotta look at the ball.
Yeah, kind of just whack.
Play with your feet. Out.
Was it out?
Yeah, it was here.
4-1-2.
Whoa.
I think
I think she spun that, man, mysteriously. She might have stalled it.
No, I keep hitting it on the end.
Oh, let's try. Let's
It's,
try.
the,
Let's switch it.
I think it's just shorter than I'm used to, you know?
Yeah, I want a heavier
If it
racket.
was like tennis or something, I'd be hitting all these.
Huh.
I don't know.
Gotta play with your feet, not with your
I
hand.
just gotta get used to. Like,
I think you gotta
the-
get closer to the ball.
No, I keep thinking I'm gonna hit it and then I tip.
Oh. Okay, ready.
not in the kitchen. Right behind that one.
I think she's got a side spin there. Oh.
No, if I have to.
Go into attack mode. Like the moment it leaves the racket, you're gonna move to the ball right away.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, we're switching. Oh no. Fine, fine. Okay, got it. Nice. Ah! Yes! Man!
Kim, I saw the white in your eye.
I know, man. I'm like, yes, this is it.
You were gonna kick them.
Oh, I wanted to so badly.
You got it. Run.
All right. Whew.
All right.
All right.
How do you know it's mine?
Because you're on the right.
Okay, it's always.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Gotta stand back.
171.
So we're gonna let it bounce, and away we go. Woo!
We're back.
We're back!
Found my weak side yet.
Oh, that's her weak side. Her right side's the weak side.
Okay.
Get it to her right. Her forearm is bad. Oh, we gotta let it bounce. Oh, good!
Okay, we're on a roll.
You want to roll? Come on, keep it up! Keep the momentum up!
I'm supposed to know the score.
What's the score?
It's like 4-7
4-7,
or something.
4-7-1.
4-7.
471.
Alright, where's your weak side?
Her right side's the weak one. See? There you go. She's got a bad forearm. Yeah! Oh! Oh, I feel some hope.
Okay. Hold on. 5-7.
5-7-1. You're on a roll.
We would give you too many.
Yeah, no more freebies.
No more freebies.
No more second serve.
Oh! Oh!
Alright. We feel bad for them.
Oh, so it's 5-7-2. 5-7-2. 5-7-2. 5-7-2. You had to let it bounce. Okay, I see. So we gotta keep far back. I see.
You guys are good enough that we can start trash talking you now.
Let's trash it. I think we know the rules by now.
Yeah. So no more.
Okay.
7-5-1.
Ow!
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
752.
He has to bounce. Oh man, that sucked. That was out.